Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to share links to OneNote notebook and page and paragraph. This is incredibly useful when you need to direct someone to specific content in your notes, whether it's a single paragraph, an entire page, or a whole notebook. Let's walk through each method step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Give it a moment to fully load all your sections and pages. Once everything is visible and ready to go, we can begin the sharing process. Now, here's the thing about sharing links in OneNote. The process is remarkably similar, whether you're sharing a paragraph, a page, or an entire notebook. We'll cover each method one by one so you understand exactly how to access the right link for whatever content you need to share. Let's start with sharing a link to a specific paragraph. First, locate the paragraph you wish to share a link to. This could be a specific note, a list, or any block of text within your page. Once you've found it, highlight the paragraph by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Now right-click on the highlighted text to reveal the context menu. From this context menu, you'll see an option labeled Copy Link to Paragraph. Click on that option and a direct link to that exact paragraph will be saved to your clipboard. This is perfect when you want someone to jump straight to a particular piece of information without scrolling through an entire page. Next, let's cover how to share a link to a section. Look at the left side menu where all your pages, sections, and notebooks are located. This is your navigation panel. Find the section you wish to share a link to, then simply right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Copy Link to Section. Just like that, a link to your entire section is stored to your clipboard. This is ideal when you want to share a collection of related pages with someone. Finally, the same straightforward process works for sharing a link to your entire notebook. Right-click on your notebook name in the left side menu, and from the context menu that appears, click on Copy Link to Notebook. The link is now saved and ready to share. This gives someone access to everything within that particular notebook, making it great for collaborative projects or sharing comprehensive resources. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to share direct links to paragraphs, sections, and entire notebooks in OneNote. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.